Don't you just love bunnies?
Yeah!
Well, we have good news for you. Today, we will be making super cute bunny cupcakes.
Wow!
So stay tuned to learn how to make these adorable cupcakes with us, and let's get started.
First, let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need 1 packet of cupcake mix, 150 ml of oil, 150 ml of milk, 2 large eggs, some large white marshmallows, pink sugar crystals, googly eyes, pink candies for the nose, some long chocolate sprinkles or chocolate coated pretzel sticks, 230 grams of cream cheese, a half a cup of butter softened, 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. These cupcakes are perfect for Easter and even great for a kid's cupcake decorating party. So let's get started. Step 1. In a bowl, add the cupcake mix, eggs, oil and milk, and mix the ingredients together until they become a smooth batter. Now bake for about 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, then allow to cool. Step 2. Beat the cream cheese and butter until smooth. Now add in as much powdered sugar as needed to reach your desired consistency. Add the vanilla extract and mix until combined. Did you know that Easter is celebrated on a different day each year? Step 3. Using scissors, cut each marshmallow diagonally, and then immediately press the sticky side into the pink sugar crystals. Now set aside. Step 4. Transfer the cream cheese frosting to a piping bag. Now pipe the bunny's head onto the cupcakes. Step 5. Decorate with the bunny ears, nose, eyes, and whiskers. All done! Wow! These bunny cupcakes look so yummy!
This was a super easy recipe.
And the bunny cupcakes look so
Yummy! Well, did you enjoy this video?
Let us know in the comments below.
Oh, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. for more yummy recipes with us. See you all next time. Goodbye.